Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about some of my Bolo items. These are either big money or unexpected items that I flipped for a profit. I'm going to tell you where I got it, what I paid for it, and what it sold for. And the first item, would I do it again? No. So this one's kind of a learning one. I got a whole bunch of these cards and I'm like, I can be a card seller. And I parted these out. Oh, these have been listed so long, you guys, so long. But I did sell it one card for $11.04. Pretty good, right? Took a long time, but they're sitting in a little case, a little plastic case, and I'm just going to leave them listed until they sell. Not a big deal. And I don't think I put excellent here. I think that when they changed this category, they added that because I never put excellent for anything. So I may need to go in and update that to good. But I didn't have any complaints, so that's good. But it is a Fleer card, and it sold for $11.04. Express jeans, they're flying out the door, guys. I have a whole bunch of these listed, wide leg, flare, different boot cut, all the things. But wide leg and flare seem to be doing the best. And this was actually a bundle sale. Somebody bought 4 pair from me for a total of $208. The next item is this vintage Bug House miniature porcelain figurine. Look how stinking cute this is. So this was in my Whatnot egg show that I did. I bought a whole bunch of eggs from an estate sale and I offered some things up. They didn't sell. So I decided to put those items on eBay. I think I offered this for $5 during my show. No one bought it. So I put it on eBay and I sold it for $18 plus shipping. Again, Whatnot is all about the quick flip, move the items quick. People can buy items from me to keep for themselves or to resell. But I decided to just resell my own items since it didn't sell. I thought it was adorable. Vintage Ambassador paper napkins and plates from Pete the Dragon, new old stock sealed. These did take a long time to sell. It's funny because I got these at an estate buyout, and I had quite a few of them, and 2 of them sold within the same week. I don't know if it's in this video or another one, but really, really weird because they sat for a very long time. Very nostalgic, guys. You got to wait for the right buyer on these. Estate sale, paid about $1 for it, and they sold for $41.44. Fisher Price, Little People. These are the older plastic ones. Got these in a mystery box, and I sold them for $22.10, a thrift store mystery box. I don't know if you guys remember when I used to do those unboxings. This I bought on Whatnot. I paid $5 for it, guys. $5 on Whatnot, and somebody offered me $99, and I took it. It is a gorgeous vintage cloisonne enamel gold tone beaded knotted necklace, and it is fabulous. And I could not believe that nobody bid against me, but they didn't. So can you source on Whatnot? Absolutely. Grab my referral link down below, get $15 to shop, and you can use that when you join Whatnot. So $15 free to buy whatever you want, right? So check it out. The next items, okay, so these are items that I sold on Whatnot. I put out some videos if you want to see more items that I sold on Whatnot, but you guys seem to not gravitate towards those. You only want to see what's sold on eBay. So what I want to tell you is most of these items were listed on 4 platforms: eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Whatnot, and they sold faster on Whatnot. I'm also experiencing that because I'm just now cross-posting these items over to Whatnot, a lot of these items have been listed on eBay a long time, and they haven't sold, and they are selling fast on Whatnot. So there is something to say about different eyes on your items. People are looking in different ways on Whatnot. You can search auctions because people preload, and you can also search the buy it now with keywords. So I think it's a great way to get your items out there, and it does show up in the Google search. Now, these 3 eggs were from my egg show, and they didn't sell. I don't know why, but I did not put these on the other platforms. Full disclosure, I only put these in the Whatnot buy it now, and I threw them up there pretty cheap at $15 and $10, and they sold very quickly. So 15, 10, and 15, and this one I think had a little issue. Now, this one was also from that egg show, and I think I offered this one for 10, or I didn't get to it. I can't remember. But it was an egg shaped music box, and I sold this for 26. So I did put that on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, but it still sold faster on the buy it now on Whatnot. I got this Star Wars figure. It sat for a very, very long time on eBay, and I sold it for $12. I'm just going to kind of try to get a little closer here for you. These three cross-stitch kits, again, have been sitting on eBay for quite a while. I sold one for $46, $22, and $26 there. Something I'm definitely going to try to get more of because they seem to do well over on Whatnot. I had this cow creamer and these Zuru Surprise mini brands and the Disney Princess Polly Pockets. The cow sold for $22, the mini brands sold for $35, and the Polly Pocket, I just sold this one for $40. And again, sitting on eBay a long time and sold it for $40. I've got the Scarab Brooch Turtle, sold for $32, and this Princess Diana pin sold for $24, and the Stag Deer, this one also was on eBay for a long time, and I put it over to Whatnot, and it sold super quick, and $18. Hallmark Corvette, $22, 925 Silver Cat, $18, vintage signed Avon bracelet, $22, this Sunshine ring, and I actually bought this on Whatnot from Lucky Day Living, and then I flipped it on Whatnot for $42. I think I paid $8 and sold it for $42. This one also I got from Lucky Day Living for $8. What I did is I bought a bunch of items from her show and I divided it out. You know what? I think this charm was from her too. So I divided it out and it was an average of $8 a piece. So 18, 22, and 42. So really good margins there. This ET watch, sold it for $78. And this is just a 925 necklace extender. And I sold that for $20. So definitely things are going and selling out of my shop on Whatnot, my buy it now. This one here is a vintage 1972 Fisher-Price family camper. And I believe I got this from a garage sale. And I want to say I paid $10 for it. And this one, did I take an offer? I did. I took a best offer of $84. This is vintage Fisher-Price Dream Dollhouse blue replacement doors. I've probably sold this 3 or 4 times, maybe 5 or 6. Sold it for $11.90. This is an expansion bracelet, and these expansion bracelets are pretty hot right now. They expand. See how they stretch right there? And this one even had Mary and Jack written on it. Is that crazy? And I sold this very quickly for $110.50. These are buildable erasers. They took forever to sell. Forever. I don't know if my keywords weren't good or if people just don't want them, but they did sell. I don't even remember where I got them or what I paid for them. They've been listed that long, but I sold them for $37. This is an Avon skunk. I got this at an estate style garage sale. I paid $2 for it and I took a best offer of $20. And the Cranium Caribou game, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but if you haven't, do a search on it. I don't know if it's still trending like it used to, but if you find that game, it is big money. Well, I got one and it was incomplete, so I decided to part it out. A lot of the items sold very quickly. These did take a while to sell. These were the doors, but I did end up selling them for $13.81 and the buyer paid shipping. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn to sell on Whatnot, I have tutorials, Whatnot for beginners. But if you want to get your items over to the shop and not do live shows, I think you can do that. You do have to join as a seller. So first off, if you're not on Whatnot, use the referral link to get $15 to shop as a buyer. Then come back and use the seller's link, and that'll let them know that I referred you. And there's some perk for that if you go live. Then, if you want, you can use List Perfectly to cross-post your items from whatever platform you have the items on. I have a tutorial showing you how I take my items from eBay and put them on Whatnot using List Perfectly. If you want to check that out, if it's a good fit, you can use my coupon referral code BOLOBuddies, all one word, and the coupon referral link down below to get 30% off your first month. So check it out. If you have questions, drop it in the chat. If you guys sell on Whatnot, drop your handle. If you think people could buy from you on Whatnot and flip items for a profit, there's lots of resellers here. So let us know what you sell. All right, you guys, thank you again so much. Let me know if you like me putting the Whatnot sales in there or if you'd rather me not. I'll take your feedback on that. But the next 4 videos are going to have that. So I think it's a good way to see things that are selling on other platforms, just like my Poshmark sales. Go watch those Poshmark videos. Those items are still selling on eBay, right? They just sold faster for me on Poshmark or sold faster for me on Whatnot. I think it's kind of cool to see what's going on the other platforms and to maybe think, should I be getting my items on other sites? I know Geek Nurse's Treasure, she sells on Etsy. And every time I see her Etsy solds, I'm like, should I get back on Etsy? Oh man, I've got lots of good jewelry I could put on Etsy. But I don't want to invest that time right now. And that might be where you're at, you know, figure out where you want to put your time. As you can see, I'm starting to sell more items on eBay again because I'm putting in the effort and listing more items on eBay. So if you guys have any questions, drop it in the chat, or you can come over to one of my Bolo Buddies Whatnot shows. You can always ask questions over there also. It's a great time. Lots of fun. No pressure to buy. Just come hang out and be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thanks for watching.